It's Mr. Something Basic. I'm about to install brake handle reliever, I guess you can call it. Here's the new joint, the broken joint. I'm gonna put this pig on. So, like that, I guess. Actually, take this joint off like that, and then, okay, something like this. Am I gonna be able to put it in there? I don't think so. Put this joint in. Put the new piece in. Okay. Alright, that's not going the way I wanted it. Boy, yeah, I got it.
Alright, come on, lean back.
And then that basic. Alright, installed my brake handle reliever, I guess you can call it. The emergency brake jam. Alright, something basic. Let's see. Oh, pops right up. Yeah. Job complete. Something basic.